Hey guys, Curlz here, aka Shani, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So I just thought I'd come on here to kind of share how I was able to prolong the life of my blowout slash silk press. It's been, today actually makes a month that it's been straight like this. I never redid anything or touched it up or anything like that. I've just been taking really good care of it. So yeah, but by the time this video comes out, it's probably going to be a month and a half or so. I am going to push for 2 more weeks. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and share my tips on how I was able to accomplish this great thing. So the 2 main things that I've been doing to accomplish this is basically not getting it wet and wrapping it up whenever I was to go to bed. And yeah, that's about it. Sorry guys, I am looking at myself and I am so proud of my skin. Like, I finally locked down a skincare regimen. I know this is not the video for this. I finally locked down a skin regimen and I just can't stop looking at myself, so I am so sorry. I actually did a haul showing you guys what I currently use on my skin, so yeah, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave it in the description. But back to this video. So not getting it wet would mean that you would keep your hair away from any type of liquid. So that's sweating. When you're showering, you don't get it wet, or even if you don't get it wet, you may shower in hot water, and the humidity in the air and all of that stuff could actually cause your hair to kind of revert as well. So that, and anything that's outdoors, whether you're standing next to a fountain and a little bit of water splashes on you, or the rain, any kind of liquid. So how I've been combating it is, we've had some rain lately, but I managed to, not get my hair wet. So what I did is I literally, I traveled with a plastic bag in my purse wherever I went to work on an errand. If I had a tiny little change purse, I stuffed the plastic bag in there, and if I needed to yuck that out, put that over my head, even with an umbrella, I don't care. Because sometimes, wind blows and the rain can get under the umbrella. So just to make sure, I would just travel with a plastic bag in my purse or in my bag. And that's how I combated the rain. In terms of sweating, I don't think this is a great thing, but I don't really exercise, so I don't sweat much. And I work in AC. I have AC in my car. I don't have AC at home, but my apartment is fairly cool, so yeah, I don't have to worry about that. And I'm not home as much. So yeah, I don't sweat as much. So for those of you that exercise, I don't really know what to tell you besides maybe get one of those sweat bands or something that can soak up the sweat, and hopefully you don't sweat too much in your hair, on your scalp, in your head. You know what I mean. And when it comes to showering, what I do is, I love hot water, so I'm not gonna bathe in cold water, sorry. So what I usually do is, my hair is already wrapped up in like this do-rag thing anyways. I don't have it with me. So I already have my hair wrapped in my like silk or satin do-rag kind of wrap thing or whatever, and then I would take a plastic bag and I would put it over it and take out all of the air and just, twist it around and tuck it under and make sure that all of the sides and everything is in. And that's how I shower. And yeah, that's how I kept it dry. So in terms of when I sleep at night, for the first 2 to 2.5 weeks, I would literally wrap it every night. So I would literally comb it down and then wrap it around. I'll insert a photo or something, but I would just wrap my hair and then put a satin thing over it, and that was me. And then after that, I stopped wearing it out as much because my scalp started to get really dry and flaky. So I would just oil my scalp a little bit, put a little bit of oil on the ends of the hair, and maybe rub it in my hand and just do like this, because I don't like my hair to be way down and oily. But it kept it, kind of moist, I guess, for my scalp and stuff, so it wouldn't flake too much. So that's what I did for the flaking. But yeah, after the 2 to 2.5 weeks, after the first 2 weeks, I just started putting my hair up in one and maybe a bun like this or something, and then just put the satin wrap over it. I was over the whole wrapping and keeping it bone straight, and I kind of like how it's getting older and it's kind of getting like fuzzy, I guess. Like it's not as sleek and straight. because then I can do different hairstyles and my buns look a little bit more fuller or whatever. So yeah. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So yeah guys, it's starting to get really noisy around here, so I'm gonna have to quickly end this video. But that's all I've been doing. I haven't been putting any products in my hair besides olive oil. Yes, that's the oil I've been using, olive oil, to you know, freshen it up a bit in my scalp. But I haven't been putting any gel or anything. I would brush it like every morning or every other morning to get the shedded hair out, and that's about it. Yeah, but what I'm gonna do is insert some photos or a video clip or something of my first blowout, because the same persons that did it last time, they did it this time. Their name was Del Rosario back then, but now they changed to Studio Lisi. I'll leave their link down below as well. So yeah, same persons did it. I actually got a lot of growth as well, so I'm really proud of that. I was able to retain some length. Yeah, I'll insert some photos and videos of how my blowout looks now and where my hair is in terms of length. And yeah, hopefully it's not too noisy in the background, but hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.